So I'm Jonathan Streeter, I'm Exploration Manager for Barto Gold Mining in Marvel Loch. Communicating with Michael Farr from the start, for the whole tendering phase and everything like that, and the communication from start to finish has been first rate all the way through, right through from the initial site inspection prior to any rig mobilisation coming through, and then going all through. Any questions over like invoicing or accruals or prices of different consumables or anything like that has all been great, and that's from the corporate team in Perth and the site supervisors as well, and just knowing how things are going and progressing and any issues. And it was just straightforward drilling. However, in the middle of the program, you know, you came to drill 5 holes, and those 5 holes were targeted in a particular area, and then one hole in there was a sudden change, and 2 of the holes were suddenly changed to be drilled in a different location. One of the original 5 was dropped off, and so there was a few slight, obviously, adjustments from our end at Barto, reorganising and designing and things like that. But the transition to changing the details and getting that all through the drill crew and having the confidence that was delivered down onto the actual production front, the face where they're actually drilling, and everything was understood and done correctly, there was never any worry, and it was all executed really well. Impressed with the quote, the tender initially, because it gave an initial list of the itemised like consumables. You know, consumables don't make a difference to the actual ultimate cost, but they do add up considerably, and always trying to find out how much that's costing and trying to keep tracks of a forecast of costs on a daily basis. It's good to have those numbers up front, and that was really appreciated as well. But you know, ultimately it's about the quality of the core as opposed to quantity of meters drilled, and from an exploration perspective, but also a resource definition perspective, that the quality of the core, we were able to, you know, see the different lithologies. We were getting really good ore marks. We were able to do our structural measurements, and even through like the shear zone, the disking and things like that, the core came out and was really presented well. It was all clean. You know, I watched the driller and the offsider. They were cleaning all the trays, getting rid of all like any oil or mud or anything like all around the edge, so it made it easy for the fieldies to mark up all the depths and everything like that. It's the attention to detail from every single part, the presentation, and just the delivery of the product. And, you know, that's what marks you out from different operators. So, in prior roles, I've tried to commission Webdrill, come in. Haven't always been in that vein of decision-making position, but was recommended to use Webdrill by a different drilling company on a surface a number of years back, and had very good reviews of you back then, and would certainly recommend Webdrill to other operations as well. And as soon as we've just received our first batch of results from the current drilling that we've just done, as soon as we've analysed them and moved that through, we'll be back in touch to hopefully bring a rig back to do the stage 2 and follow up that initial program.